She's graceful. She's amazing. She's going to do the triple turn access. That was my ice skating skills. They were amazing. I'm fully aware of it. All right. If you didn't know, in another life, Miss Gillette was a professional ice skater, and she was pretty good. She's pretty amazing. So today, you're going to help Miss Gillette in her ice skating career and do some math at the same time. So, I'm out of breath. That's pretty pathetic. All right. We're on 7.7. We're going to add and subtract mixed numbers today. So we are pretty amazing at adding and subtracting fractions, but can we add and subtract them if they have like a mixed number situation? The answer is yes. We do this on our starters. Some of you may already have like a great idea how to do this. So our I can today is I can add and subtract mixed numbers. Spin. Amazing. All right. So Miss G was in an ice skating competition. I know. One judge gave her 1 and 4/6 points. All right, so let's circle our 1 and 4/6. Another judge gave her 2 and 3/6 points. That judge already actually saw my true potential. 1 and 4/6, pathetic. How many points did she get? So I want to know how many points did I get total. So when we're trying to find totals, if we think how many points did she get, we're saying, is that adding or subtracting? It's going to be adding, right? So let's write down our fractions. We have 1 and 4/6 from the judge 1 plus 2 and 3/6. Good news is we can add them because they have the same number on bottom. If they do not have the same number on bottom, we cannot add them, okay? So how we do this, the easiest way to do this is to pull away the whole numbers and pull away the fractions, okay? So if we did 1 plus 2, that would give us 3. And then we're going to do 4/6 and 3/6, okay? So remember, when we're adding, we add the top numbers and leave the bottom number the same. So the number on bottom still says 6. And what's 4 plus 3? 7. Oh no, we have run into a problem. 7 and 1/6, we can't write 3 and 7 1/6 because that's making a mixed number mixed with an improper fraction. So we need to change 7/6 into a mixed number so we can add it. Okay, we are 100% capable of doing this. So we had to think. Let's just think this one through. You could divide it. You could do 7 divided by 6. Or let's think, how many times can 6 go into 7? Well, it can only go in once. What's 1 times 6? 6. Goes in once. 6. What's 7 minus 6? 1. We have 1 left over, and we always put over the same number, 6. Okay? So if we changed our mixed number into our improper fraction into a mixed number, now we have this 3 and this 1 and 1/6. But we need to add them together. So 3 is a whole number, so let's add it to the whole number. 3 plus 1 is 4, and we just write the 1/6. So all together, I received 4 and 1/6 points. So remember, first step, I wrote it out. I added the whole numbers and got a 3. I added the fractions and got 7/6. Okay? We can't write 3 and 7/6. It doesn't make sense. So we had to change 7/6 into a mixed number. So then we had 1 and 1/6. When we added our original 3 plus our 1, we got 4 and 1/6. Okay, let's try some more. So if you're a little lost, it's okay. Because right, when you first start ice skating, you fall a lot, and then you become a pro like me. After 10,000 hours worth of practice, obviously. I have so much time after teaching. I just have so much time to ice skate. All right, let's do some examples. Once you get it, it will be smooth as ice. That's what I did there, I know. All right, example number 1. If I have 3 and 4/6, now we're going to subtract minus 2 and 3/6. Okay, these ones are pretty simple. So let's pull it out. Pull out our whole numbers and pull out our fractions. So whole numbers, what's 3 minus 2? 1. Hello. Okay, then our fractions, we always keep the number on bottom the same. What's 4 minus 3? 1. Because it's not anything, that's our answer right there. 1 and 1/6. So easy, right? Because this wasn't an improper fraction, we could just put them together. 1 and 1/6. That's my answer. All right, let's try another one. Sometimes when we're doing these, subtraction is easier. When we get into harder ones, it becomes, like the lesson we learned tomorrow, subtraction becomes a little bit harder. But, okay, let's do another addition. We have 1 and 1/6 plus 3 and 3/6. All right, this one looks pretty simple too. Let's add our whole numbers first. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then let's add our fractions. 1 plus 3 is 4. Keep the number on bottom the same, 6. That's my answer. 4 and 4/6. Easy as a triple backflip pirouette on ice. Just kidding, that's extremely difficult. All right, let's do some more. I hope you're kind of catching on. Let's do another hard one where you have to make it, you get an improper. So let's do 1 and 4/5 plus 7 and 2/5. Okay, just like before, let's start with the whole numbers. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then let's add the fractions. So number on bottom stays the same. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, we can't just leave it as 8 and 6 over 5 because this is a improper fraction. Number on top is bigger than the number on bottom. So we need to change this now. Let's change it. So you can do our lovely division, bigger number on top, or you can think, how many times can 5 go into 6? Well, it goes in once. 1 times 5 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So our whole number is 1. We have 1 left over, and we keep the same number on bottom, 5. So we have 8 and 1 and 1/5. Now we need to add them together. So 8 plus 1 is 9, and we just keep our 1/5. 9 and 1/5. Bada boom, bada bing. All right, let's keep going. Let's do your first pause problem and see how you do. All right, we'll do one subtraction pause problem and one addition. Pause problem number 1. Let's do 3. Oh, sorry, that might confuse you. It might look like 13. 3 and 7 over 12 minus 2 and 5/12. All right, you pause it, check it out. I'm going to keep going. All right, let's do my whole numbers. 3 minus 2 is 1. Let's do my fractions. 7 minus 5 is 2. Keep the number on bottom the same. 12. My answer, you should have gotten, is 1 and 2 over 12. I hope you did. All right, let's try addition one more time for your second pause problem. And then we'll call it a day. Pause problem number 2. If I do 7 and 4 over 6 plus 4 and 3/6. Pause it, give it a try. You are going to be dealing with a mixed number situation. I'm going to keep going. 7 plus 4 is 11. Let's do fractions. 4 plus 3 is 7. Keep the number on bottom the same. This is an improper fraction. Number on top is bigger than the number on bottom, so we got to change it. You can do 6 divided into 7, which we've already done once, or you can do in your head. 6 goes into 7 one time, so 1's my big whole number. 1 times 6 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. There's 1 left over. Keep it over the same fraction. You should have gotten 1 and 1/6. All right, that's it today, friends. And remember, you can always pause, rewind, go back, do whatever you need to do. But I hope that it clicked in your brain and that you get a high score in the competition. Bye, guys.